And it's the morning of day 3. Things are going well. I'm trying to beat the rain today. It's supposed to rain tonight. And yeah, trying to do about 20 miles, get as close to Patagonia as I can. And this is not what I really wanted to do because it means spending money, but the plan is to zero there Thursday. So I'm going to have a Nero and a zero, which definitely bumps my average up because I have to finish by a certain time so I can get my ride to the CDT. But they're calling for some pretty heavy thunderstorms and rain Wednesday night, all day Thursday. But after Friday, it looks pretty good for quite a while, so that's good. I just got my first trail magic like 5 minutes ago. Right in the middle of the trail. Thank you to whoever is hiking ahead of me that dropped their candy. I will eat it. I've gone about 2.5 miles so far today. Yeah, everything's going good. Body feels good. Gets a little sore at the end of the day, like yesterday, but overall I'm pretty happy. This is a look at what I'm hiking across here to finish day 3 up. I believe you can see that little pond up ahead. I know the trail goes by that. And I'm not exactly sure where I go after that. I'm thinking off in that direction. The trail is mostly flat and downhill all the way to Patagonia, which I'll be there tomorrow morning. Rain's coming in tonight, but I think it's late enough that I will be in camp before it starts, and it's supposed to stop before I wake up, so that's good news. So right here in this area that I'm hiking through now, there was a hiker that saw a mama bear and 2 cubs back in November, which is pretty cool. Kind of unexpected just because, I don't know, kind of still feels like I'm in the desert. There is a lot of water around though, and quite a few trees. And I'm kind of hoping I get to see one. That'd be cool. Okay, so I just got into my tent just in time. Got here to camp around 5, and right after I got the tent up, it started raining. So I kept everything dry, which is good. About 17 miles today, I believe. Not bad. Body feels pretty good. Eagle Eye is planning on making it here too, as well as Corey. He's a section hiker that started the same day we did. And right now I'm 9.5 miles from Patagonia, so should get in there mid-morning tomorrow. And I will let you know the plans for town once I get there. But for right now, I'm just gonna eat a bunch of food because I have a lot of extra food.